Mm. Hi Akash,
Yes, ma'am. Hi, ma'am.
how are you?
Fine, ma'am.
Okay, so this is Aruna from Quality Department, Akash. I just want to take a learning feedback from your side. So can you introduce about yourself?
Yes, ma'am. My name is Akash Reddy, ma'am. I have graduated in civil engineering from RGM College of Engineering and Technology in 2023 from Andhra Pradesh. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so how did you knew about CMTI?
Through our college management, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So which course you have obtained here, Akash?
Yes, ma'am. IDM, ma'am. Interior Designing Management.
Okay, so what and all you learned in that?
Uh, I have learned about SketchUp, AutoCAD, and then cut list, and then materials that we used for interiors.
Fine. Then what about your trainers and all? Who was they?
What, ma'am?
What about your trainers and all, Akash? How was they?
Yes, ma'am. It's sir, he teaches about the cut list. He teaches very well. And then Srinivas sir teaches about AutoCAD. He also teaches very well. And then SketchUp, Santosh sir deals. He also teaches us very well. And then Natarajan sir, he teaches about basic construction also, like the types of drawings and all. He teaches very well. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then what about your app? How did that help you? CMTI.
CMTI. In CMTI app, there is a recorded class which helps us to revisit the classes and to study well in our PGs also.
Okay. And what about the staffs of CMTI? How was their coordination throughout the process?
Yes, ma'am. It's very good, ma'am.
Okay. And what do you want to say to your friends and juniors, Akash?
I want to say, if they know Kannada very well or little bit of Kannada, it will be easier to get job easily in CMDI. And then skills they teach us very well. Skills they teach no problem in that.
So thank you. Thank you so much for your feedback and all the best for your future days, Akash. Thank you so much.
Thank you.